Namaskaram. Good morning everyone. How are you all? Hope you all are good. And dear students, we are here for yoga and physical activity session. And today we will do yogic asana and pranayama. So let's come. First we will start our session with Gayatri Mantra. First, sit any meditative posture. We sit on Padmasana. Just like place your right foot on your left thigh and your left foot on your right thigh. Like this. You can see this posture called Padma. Padma means lotus. Padmasana. And keep both hands in Jnana Mudra. Back should be straight. If you can't able to sit on this posture, Padmasana, you can sit on Saralasana. Normally fold your legs. It's called Saralasana. So let's come. Keep both hands in Jnana Mudra. Shoulder relax. Eyes closed. First, normalize your breathing. Adopt Namaskara Mudra. Eyes closed. Start Gayatri Mantra. Om Bhurbhuvah Swaha Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Nah Prachodayat. Vedic Mantra. Sangachatvam Samvadadvam Sambho Manansi Janatam Sambho Manansi Janatam Deva Bhagam Yatha Purve Deva Bhagam Yatha Purve Sanjanana Upasate Sanjanana Upasate Sanjanana Upasate. Rub your both palms, make a heel and place your both palm on your eyes, your face muscles. Slowly open your eyes, look at your palm with a gentle smile. Okay, let's come for warm up yogic practice. First, stand up everyone. We will start first some stretching yogic asana in standing position. First, legs together, feet together. Inhale, raise the arms from side and palms turn upward. And inhale, stretch upward. Exhale, hands down. Inhale, heels off the ground. Toes, stand with toes. Stretch upward. Exhale, down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale one more round. And exhale down. Release the hands from side. Next, legs apart according to your shoulder. Again, raise the arms from side. Interlock your finger and turn the palms upward. And deep inhale, stretch arm up, bicep touching to the ear, and exhale, bend to left. Triyak Talasana. Inhale, come straight to the center. Exhale, bend to right. Inhale, center. Exhale, left. Inhale, center. exhale right. Inhale, come shoulder to the center and release the hands from side. And next, both hands behind your back and stretch it out. Interlock your fingers and stretch it out. And exhale, bend forward as much as you can bend. Inhale, come back. And release. Take few normal breaths. Normalize your breathings. And next, bend your head, touch your chin to the chest and go for head rotation. Make a complete circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, reverse, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Release. And next, stretch your both hands in front and clutch your finger. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Make a fist and go for this rotation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Reverse. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Release the hands. Next, elbow movement. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. And place both hands on your shoulder with fingers, elbows together, and go for shoulder rotation. Make a complete circle. Bicep touching to the ear, elbows together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and reverse. 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly release your both hands from side. And next, place both hands on your waist, legs apart according to your shoulder, and go for hip rotation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Reverse. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Next, Kati Chakra Asana. Legs apart according to your shoulder. Raise the arms in line with the shoulder and exhale, twist to left side. Place your right hand on your left shoulder, your left hand behind your back, and join the wrist and look back. And inhale slowly, center, exhale, twist to right side. Inhale, center, exhale, left, Inhale center, exhale right. Inhale, come slowly to the center. And next, legs together, feet together. Place both palms on your kneecap and go for knee movement. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Reverse. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Relax. And next, place both hands on your wrist and right leg in front and go for ankle movement. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Reverse. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Release. Same with the opposite leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Reverse. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Relax. Take few normal breaths. Normalize your breathing. And next, Vaksa Prasar Yogic. Legs apart. 1 to 1.5 feet gap in between your legs. And both hands in front and palms touching each other. And exhale, bend forward, and your trunk parallel to the ground, bicep touching to the ear, palms touching each other, and your whole trunk parallel to the ground. Your whole body shape like 90 degrees. And hold. Take deep inhale. Bring your both hands up in Y shape and go for arch. Exhale, bend forward. Inhale, arch back. Exhale, bend forward. Inhale, arch back. Exhale, bend forward. One more round. Inhale. Exhale. And release the hands from your side. And next, we will do some basic power yoga steps. So let's come. First, sit on the mat. Come to Vajrasana. And place both palms on the ground and come to tabletop position. First, we will start with right leg. Inhale, lift your right leg up as much as you can. Lift up and look up. With inhale, lift up, and exhale, bring towards the head. With exhale, inhale up, exhale, suck your belly and pop up your thoracic spine and your knee closer to your forehead. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, and breathe. Same with the opposite leg. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, release. And next variation, inhale, lift your right leg up with inhale, and at the same time lift your left hand up, both your right leg up and your left hand up with inhale as much as you can, and exhale, bring your knee and your elbow closer to each other. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, and release. Same with the opposite leg. Inhale, exhale, 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 and release. And here, go for Parvatasana. Tuck your toes on the ground and knees off the ground. Come to Parvatasana. Heels on the ground, kneecap locked, and look at your navel bone. And take few more breaths in Parvatasana. Inhale, lift your right leg up and bring your right leg in between your palm and raise your right hand up. Your right hand toward the sky. Exhale. Come to Aswa Sanchalana and your right leg back. Come to again Parvatasana and lift your left leg up with inhale and bring your left leg in between your palms. Raise your left hand up towards the sky. And exhale, come to Aswa Sanchalana. Inhale, another leg back. Exhale, come to Parvatasana. Exhale, Parvata. Inhale, Janga, upward facing dog. Inhale, bend your knees and jump. Hold your big toes and look straight. Kneecap lock. Lengthen your spine. Place both palms beside your feet. And inhale, raise the arms from side, bend your knees. Palms touching each other. And look at your thumb. And release the hands from side. Sit down, come to sitting position. Both legs in front again, stretch. And next we will do Janu Sirasana. Hold your right leg ankle and place your right feet inner side of left thigh. See, back fully straight and your heel closer to your phalanx. And inhale, raise the arms above the head with fingers separate and back fully straight. And exhale, catch your toes with your both hands and back fully straight and look straight. Back fully straight and hold it. Option 1. And your kneecap lock. Your leg fully straight. Back straight, leg straight, look straight. And hold it. and exhale, more exhale. Bend forward, and rest your elbow on the ground and touch your forehead to your knee and hold here. Hold here for 30 seconds. Inhale, come back, and same with opposite leg. Place your left feet inner side of right thigh and back fully straight. And inhale, raise the arms up, back straight. And exhale, catch your toes with your both hand and back fully straight and hold here for 10 seconds. Look straight, knees straight, back straight. And exhale, bend forward. First, rest your elbow on the ground and bend forward and touch your nose to your knee and hold here for 30 seconds. Inhale, come back and release. And release the legs. Relax. Take few normal breaths. Normalize your breathing. Sit on Vajrasana. Next, we will do Parigha Asana. Again, stand on your knees like this and extend your left leg to left side like this. Your left leg fully straight and your right knee on the ground and stand with your right knee and back fully straight and your left leg toes in front and your left leg toes facing front. And inhale, raise your left arm above the head with inhale, bicep touching to the ear, and exhale, slightly bend left with exhale and catch your left leg toe with your left hand, at the same time bend to left and look up and hold here 5 to 10 seconds. Inhale, come back. Same with opposite leg. Extend your right leg to right side. Fully extend and your right knee straight, back fully straight. And inhale, raise your left hand above the head, fingers separate, left bicep touching to the ear. With inhale and exhale, slightly bend to right. And catch your right leg toe with your right hand and look up. And hold here 5 to 10 seconds. come back and release. Take few normal breaths, normalize your breathing. And sit any meditative posture, back straight, eyes closed. Normalize your breathing. Next, we will do pranayama यौगिक अभ्यास. प्राणायामों का अभ्यास किसी भी ध्यानात्मक आसन की स्थिति में बैठे, सरल आसन की स्थिति में बैठे, दोनों हाथों की ज्ञान मुद्रा, कंधे, कमर व सीधी. नॉर्मलाइज योर ब्रीथिंग्स, श्वासों का प्रवाह समान. फर्स्ट प्राणायाम का अभ्यास भस्त्रिका प्राणायाम. हम इस अभ्यास को 3 गतियों से करेंगे. प्रथम सरल गति से, द्वितीय में मध्यम गति से, तृतीय में तीव्र गति का अभ्यास. कमर गर्दन सीधी. फर्स्ट सरल गति से. इनहेल एंड एक्सहेल. यहीं से मध्यम गति का अभ्यास रिलैक्स, सामान्य श्वास. यहीं से तीव्र गति का अभ्यास. दोनों हाथों से घुटनों पर इस प्रकार रखें, दोनों हथेलियों को, और हाथों के सपोर्ट से इस अभ्यास को तीव्र गति का अभ्यास करेंगे भस्त्रिका का. कुछ विशेष बातों का ध्यान रखें अभ्यास तीव्र गति से करने से पूर्व. हाई ब्लड प्रेशर और पे भी कार्डियक से संबंधित रोगी हैं, वे इस अभ्यास को तीव्र गति से ना करें. वे सरल गति से इस अभ्यास को कर सकते हैं, वह भी सावधानी. चलिए प्रारंभ करें तीव्र गति का अभ्यास. रिलैक्स, सामान्य श्वास प्रश्वास. कुछ देर मौन रहे. श्वासों का प्रवाह समान. यहीं से अगला अभ्यास कपालभाति प्राणायाम का होगा. स्टोक के माध्यम से स्टमक को अंदर की ओर धक्का देना है और मेरुदंड के समीप ले जाने का प्रयत्न करना है. पूर्ण अभ्यास आपके रेचक क्रिया और पेट के अंदर धक्का देने के साथ होगी. तो इस बात का विशेष ध्यान रखें कि आपका स्टमक भी अंदर जाएगा, साथ में आपको एक फोर्सफुली एक्सेल भी करना है स्टमक अंदर, और लंग की हेल्प से आपको पूरा धक्का देके श्वास बाहर निकालना। चलिए प्रारंभ करें। फर्स्ट 20 एंड 30 एंड 40 के स्ट्रोक्स। Relax. Normalize your breathing. Next, Anulom Vilom Pranayama. Make Pranav Mudra with your right hand and close your right nostril with your thumb and inhale from left and exhale to right. Inhale again from right and exhale to left. It's complete one cycle. एक चक्र पूर्ण। इसी प्रकार आपको 5 चक्रों का अभ्यास और। चलिए प्रारंभ करें। रिलैक्स। टेंशन, हाइपरटेंशन, एंजाइटी, अनिद्रा, मानसिक चेतना को बढ़ाने वाला, स्मरण शक्ति को बढ़ाने वाला अभ्यास अनुलोम विलोम, रक्त शुद्धि के लिए बहुत ही उत्तम अभ्यास, ENT केयर का अभ्यास। इसको अपने दैनिक दिनचर्या में सम्मिलित करें। नेक्स्ट, भ्रामरिक उद्गीत का अभ्यास। हाथों की षटमुखनी मुद्रा बनाएं। अंगूठे से कानों के पटलों को बंद करें। पहली उंगली आपके आईब्रो के ऊपर, दूसरी आईबॉल के ऊपर, तीसरी अपर लिप्स के ऊपर और लास्ट और छोटी उंगली आपके लोअर लिप्स के नीचे। श्वास भरें और मुंह का उच्चारण करना है। होंठों को आपस में मिलाए रखें, दांतों को आपस में ना मिलाएं, जीवा को दांतों से पीछे रखें, दांतों में ना मिलाएं। 3 बार इस अभ्यास को करें और वापस आँख बंद कर ध्यान। कुछ देर मौन ही रहे। यहीं से ओमकार का प्रणोच्चारण होगा। औ ऊम का अकार मकार उकार नाभि और कंठ से प्रारंभ करें, नाभि से और कंठ प्रदेश की ओर ले जाएं। औ ऊम का उच्चारण। ओंकार से उत्पन्न उस दिव्य ऊर्जा को अपने अंतर मन में आत्मसात करें। अनुभव करें कि आपका अंतःकरण शुद्ध हो रहा है और आसपास का वातावरण भी ऊर्जान्वित और शुद्ध हो रहा है। इसी मनोभाव से दोनों हथेलियों का आपस मिला और तेजी से रखो। हाथों में उत्पन्न उष्मा ऊर्जा को आंखों पर चेहरे पर और तेज तलाव हो रहा। आंखों को खोलते हुए मत। नमस्कारम। थैंक यू ऑल ऑफ यू।